Greetings all, Shane Bruce, Restomod Daisy. Working on a project here with the Daisy Model 98 Eagle. This has the CA plastic stock. As you can see, the issue with the gun is that the plastic on the stock is kind of weak. And these particular guns are cast plastic. So it's not unusual for the front part, where the top of the buttstock secures to the receiver, to crack and chip and fall apart, which is what happened with this particular gun. An attempt to remedy the issue was made by somebody in the past by substituting this as a stock screw, and this is definitely not the Daisy standard. It's much bigger. So what happened was it ended up breaking the front piece of plastic off. That black spot you see right there originally had a piece of plastic there, and what we've done is stuff the cavity with a product called Steel Stick. It's a moldable epoxy. After about an hour, it gets pretty much rock hard, conforms to the cavity. And what we're hoping is that we can be able to put this back in place with some super glue, and then drill a hole at the top, and then remount our stock screw and eliminate the buttstock wobble this particular gun was suffering from. That's all we've got for you today, kids. This is Shane Bruce, Restomod Daisy, signing off.